guys, it's MishaMai. I'm so excited to bring you with me on this next vlog. I'm going to be going to Tsumicon in Vegas. It'll be a first year for that convention, and this will be my first time vlogging a convention. I've been experimenting more with vlogging and really fell in love with it. It's a little bit of a travel vlog and a convention vlog, so I can't wait to share with you. I will be taking my assistant Rachel, and she will be following me and helping prompt me to remember when to take vlogs and all those things. I cannot wait. I've been working towards this for a really long time. If you want to help support me with that, I did relaunch my Patreon. The link is going to be down below, but I'll also pop it up right here. All those proceeds help me towards strictly vlogging. I'm doing these things anyway. I just love to bring y'all along with me, and honestly, it's really fun having these memories to look back on. So we leave for Vegas tomorrow, and I just finally got a little more settled with packing and kind of wanted to show you a little bit of how I pack for conventions. It's a lot, especially since I started tabling. There's like so much more to bring that I never really thought about. This is not the most efficient just because I'm trying to make things make sense a certain way. So I could pack this tighter and have one less check luggage, but that increases the risk of things breaking, and I have a lot of kind of more delicate things that I don't want to risk like that. So let me show you. So this is the first luggage. This is my hair accessories, some content shooting things, and extra heels for content as well. I may or may not use that for Chun-Li. And this is my con emergency pack that I like to have with me in my backpack. So one way that I like to pack delicates is this is my staff for Pluto. Oops. As you can see, I like to put a little note for the TSA agents, just letting them know, like, please do not damage this. These are delicate costume props for the below character from Sailor Moon that are handmade from PVC foam and 3D print filament. Thank you for your care. And I give them a little photo just so, like, I mean, they can kind of match it up and they see that it is what it is if they choose to open the bubble wrap. But I've seen this work for a couple people. I believe it's worked for me as well, because I've had luggage where I have props get opened, but they don't mess with it, which is fantastic. The way I'm doing it is I put all of my most important costume things in my carry-on. My mindset is that I want to make sure that the most important thing, which is meeting up with you guys and being able to interact with you in the way that you're expecting, is met, which means having my costumes is the most important thing to me. Clothes I can replace, toiletries I can replace. I make sure I have my makeup, my costumes, again, like another note for my Chun-Li, and then more costume things. Like the main portions of my costumes are going to be with me at all times. They're not going to get checked. There's no chance of me losing them. That's what's most important to me. If I lost everything else, it would really suck or get delayed and things like that, but I want to be at the convention with y'all. Then over here we have extra shoes, some more con things, toiletries, my new gashapon station, which if you don't know what a gashapon is, it's like a bubblegum machine, but with like little eggs that you can get trinkets or prizes from. So in mine are pieces of paper that tell you what you can get. I have things like whatever merch you want, or free sign up to my pages, things like that. And then the last one is going to be my table luggage. So this is everything that I'm going to be needing for my table. I could have put, and then here like my sticker display and things like that. Look at my business card. It's so cute. So it says, after this card is played, your opponent must follow at MishaMai on any social media platform. And I made it look like a Pokemon card. And instead of the Pokeball, I put my QR code. Usually the only way you can get those is by ordering from my online store. But when I go to cons, I like to bring them. I like to pass them out. Anyone who takes a picture with me or just asks, totally free. I put them on the table all the time. And people are like, what is this? And I'm like, oh, that's just my business card. You can take it. They're like, oh, that's your business card? I thought that was like a real thing, like a real card. And I love those. That's like one of my favorite little passion project things that I did that really took off. I have another one on the way that I have my artist working on. Sabasi boy, shout out to you. Thank you so much for always being amazing and for making my merch look incredible. Lastly, I have my personal item, which is just my backpack. I put things in there like all my wires for charging things, my camera, my jewelry, like my most important things, supplements, things like that. So that also stays with me at all times, cannot get lost. One other thing that I really wanted to show y'all is how I organize all my costume parts. You see it right here with the Sailor Pluto like bra top. It's in like this organza like mesh baggie. I have those in a couple different sizes, but I like to piece all of like the smaller things together that way. And the key thing that I found the most helpful when it comes to packing is the more things you can get to be flat, the way better it's going to be for you. So like the more things that I can fit, even though I could fit all this in here as well, in this same like baggie, it would make it a lot less compact or a lot less flat in terms of like being able to Tetris things around. So I keep them a little separate like that, but at the same time, very easy to see everything in the, like everything for what they are, where they are, easy to move around, and then pack. And I just put it all in this packing cube and zip that up and we're good to go. So I am going to finish packing now. I will see you in Vegas. Made it, we're in Vegas and officially at the Alexis Park Hotel. There's a living room. I'm on the first floor. A little dining area, fridge and microwave. Haven't opened all of those things yet, but bathroom, cute. Oops. I am so excited to see everyone. I heard that people are very excited. I'm wearing my succubus outfit today. Trying not to get flagged by YouTube, so I'm not gonna show you too much, but you know, go to my Instagram if you wanna see how the whole look is. I'll try to get some footage during the convention as well, of course, but I love this look, it's so cute. All right, I cannot wait. I'll see y'all there. This is the booth setup. It's super cute, see? I would show you a little bit closer, but it's an 18 and up con and I don't think I can show that here. Again, check out my socials if you want to see a little bit more in depth, but this is the con hall. Super cool. Day 2 Tsumicon, Sailor Pluto, swim version. Day 1 was super amazing. It went really well, and I am stoked for day 2. Pole dancing competition was incredible. These people were so technically advanced. Like, I saw some moves and some things done in cosplay that on a pole that I was like, damn, that's goals. Ooh, we went to the after party. And that was a lot of fun. It was at Area 15, which is the same place that houses Meow Wolf, the interactive art installation. And it was a lot of fun. Everyone had a great time. I was twerking on the dance floor. Killing it.
Twerking everybody's faces off.
It was a good time.
Twerking in the splits. You missed it.
Yeah, I did that. It is day 3 of Tsumicon, and I'm just kind of walking around in the morning. It's like 7 a.m. right now, just taking in the really pretty grounds at the Alexis. I wasn't sure what to think of this location at first, but honestly, it's really nice for an anime convention because of all the greenery and the way that the buildings are set up. It makes it very easy for everyone to have like their own little section. It's set up very apartment complexy where the buildings are all completely separate. But it works really well, and the way that they have the trees and provide the shading and everything like that, there's not like super harsh lighting. Like at all times of the day, I think you can get some really good diffused lighting and kind of softbox effect when you have even coverage that you usually need like cloud coverage to provide. So far the con has been really amazing. Everyone's been so nice and so fun. The after party last night was incredible. The DJs, the dancers, it was amazing. They had a great lineup, and after enjoying the after party a little bit, I got to walk down Fremont Street, I believe it's called, and explore downtown Vegas. And it is so cool. Like the way they light it up, it literally looks like daytime in the middle of the night. And there were 3 different stages that I walked by with just free music playing, like really great rock bands. And it seemed like one of them had probably like more EDM. Oh, there's my alarm to wake up. I just caught a cab from downtown Vegas and went back here afterwards. Even the cab driver was saying that he hadn't gone to shows in Vegas really. He would just walk down Fremont and enjoy the free shows that they provide. So that was really cool. I haven't been concentrating on making content as much during this convention, just because it's definitely been way more intensive for me being at the booth and interacting with everyone than I'm kind of used to. I feel like my previous con experiences have like all prepared me for this more, but this one in particular, I've had way better stamina. I've been at my booth like almost the entire time, and it's been so fun. And like, I mean, I can take breaks and things like that, but My breaks have just been walking around the convention, checking everyone's booths out. I'm gonna do that a lot more today. I got to do that more on Friday. Saturday was like so busy, it was so great. And I think that's probably my main goal today, is visit more of the other booths, see Artist Alley a lot more. And then afterwards, I wanna go to the Strip. Rachel hasn't been to Vegas before. This is her first time, so I really want to take her to a buffet and kind of show the casinos and things like that, because the Alexis is more at the beginning of the Strip, which is a good thing because I feel like we get a lot more privacy for the event itself, and it's not as foot trafficky from looky-loos or like other people that aren't here specifically for Tsumicon. Pretty much everyone you see here, you know, is here for the con. Which is really nice because it means you don't have to, I don't know, cover up as much, especially for like an 18 and up con, or you don't have to be as worried. Especially the fact that it's in Vegas, actually, we haven't had to worry about that nearly as much as I would at any other convention. I brought a robe to walk around the like more public areas, because usually these 18 and up conventions are like, please cover up, like in the shared areas with the other guests for the hotel. I haven't had to do that here. It's actually really cool. I'm gonna go get ready now and get to my booth. Bye. It is right after Tsumicon, Monday now, and your girl yesterday had a little accident. Tried to do some poses and some 8-inch heels that were not gonna work out, and so this is gonna be really difficult to get through the airport, but we'll figure it out.
Wheelchair time.
Wheelchair time with the same 6 luggages I showed earlier. Well,
We're going to the doctor.
we're gonna go to the doctor when I get back. I don't wanna go to the doctor. Alright, well that's how Tsumicon ended for me, unfortunately. It was an amazing turnout. I really loved seeing everyone. I just wish I could have been there for the very end, but you know, things happen. I'm a little too committed sometimes, and I gotta remember I'm not actually an anime character. Damn. Like these vlogs, I'm going to be doing another one for Weeb Stop, and that's going to be in Houston, Texas in about 3 weeks. It'd be interesting to see if my foot's gonna be all better or not, so watch for the follow-up. Bye.